Hello guys, so you want to recover your YouTube channel but you forgot your email address and your password. So here's what you need to do. So in my case, my YouTube channel is called Clickworks 2020, but I forgot the email address and my password. So what you need to do is to go to the Google Chrome and then type can't sign in my Gmail, and then you will find here the support google.com, the second one, this one. So click this one, so choose the second one, and then go click username recovery tool. Then after that you need to put the recovery email, so you need your recovery email so that you can recover your email address. So I remember that my email address is this one. So input, I'm going to input my recovery email, then click next. And now you can type your name, which in this case my YouTube channel name, Clickworks 2020. So click next. So after that, we will receive a verification code in your recovery email. So let's try to find out that code. So the code is this one. Copy the code and then paste it, and then click next, and boom, there's my email address. So click this one, and then obviously I forgot my password. So what you need to do is to click forgot my password. Then try another way to sign in because I forgot also my number, and get a verification code at my recovery email. So jubarasusina@gmail.com. Then we need to enter again another code. So find the code in your email and copy the new one, the new code. Okay, copy and then paste it, and here you go. You need to wait 30 days so that they will email you that you can recover your email address. So you need to be patient guys, because they need to check whether you're the real one. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you learned something, and I hope this video help you to recover your email address and your YouTube channel. Bye.